Hey everybody, Sean here. So I took my 2019 Ford EcoSport to Riser Ford because it had a recall on the oil pump. I get it back and it has a check engine light on. I try to wash my windshield and nothing comes out, so I popped the hood to check the reservoir thinking, well, maybe it's just empty. They did just replace the motor because they couldn't get parts to replace the oil pump. And what do you know, I popped the hood and it's not hooked up. So we're gonna hook up the tube that goes from the windshield washer reservoir to where it's supposed to be hooked up, right underneath here. It gets hooked up right here. So we take the tube, grab the end, stick it in the end of the tube. That's simple. And we take this and slide it back down to go right there. That way it has plenty of slack when the hood goes up and down. Put that back in. Put that back in. Put that back in. Put that back in. Make sure all the snaps are in. Now we're going to take it and test it to make sure it works. In order to do so, we got to shut the hood. So we shut the hood. Get in. Start it up. Yep, see, there's the check engine light. And then, hey, look, it works. See if they'd just done that the first time. And that's how you correctly hook up your windshield washer tube so it'll spray out on your windshield.